everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? For me, I'm beautiful, I'm great, I'm fine. And how is your day? How has your week been? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would actually help you to remove clogged pores, help you to get rid of whiteheads and blackheads. Okay, you know, the thing is that when we don't actually take care of our skin very much, you don't scrub, you don't wash your face when you're supposed to, you don't remove the makeup when you're done flexing with it, you know, all of those things accumulate on the skin and make your skin look clogged, look darker, look irritated. You begin to have dark spots and pimples and all of that. So I have a solution for you that would actually help you to unclog your clogged pores, and so your skin can breathe again and be beautiful. So that's it. If you want to see more of this video, don't pause, don't skip, just keep on watching. Let me take you right into this video, but subscribe, share and thumbs up. Let's go. Alright guys, so to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads, I'm gonna be needing sugar. Okay, so the thing is that one thing that the body does is that it produces oil and water. Okay, now this oil, when it comes out on your face, and then when you don't actually take care of your face that much, now the oil becomes thick and it clogs your pores. That is when you see that you're beginning to have whiteheads and blackheads, and these things are very disgusting on the face, so you wouldn't want to experience that. So I'm going to be showing you very simple ingredients that would help you to get rid of it, and your face is going to be super duper smooth and healthy again. So this is sugar. Sugar is an healthy ingredient that helps out to scrub out the dead skin cells, it scrub out whiteheads and blackheads, and reduces the oil on the skin. Now, because of the smaller granite particles in this sugar and because of the sweet nature, it helps so much to remove your white and blackheads. So we're going to be needing about 3 tablespoons of this sugar. So this is it. You need to get much of the sugar. And so the very nice ingredient for the clogged pores and for those white and blackheads at the nose side is honey. Now honey is very essential. It is very needed for this ingredient because it will help alongside with the sugar to evenly remove those blackheads and whiteheads, those excessive oil, and to help you leave your skin looking really young, flawless and evenly toned up. So we're going to be putting about 2 tablespoons of the honey. Then after putting that in, we're going to stir it. Okay, so this is how it's going to be looking like after mixing it together. So the very next ingredient we're going to be needing, which is equally very important for this, is lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and as such it is very helpful for the skin. Now it helps to dry out excessive oil, leaving the pores clean and free from dirt, free from oil and free from dust. Now you know that when you actually go out every day, you know, you're exposed to dirt, and then when you don't take care of your skin so much, you're gonna begin to be darker than your normal skin. Okay, normal skin tone. And lemon is gonna help you to restore your color back to normal. Okay, it's going to help you to tone up your skin. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be cutting half of this lemon. And then we're going to be squeezing a whole lot of the juice in here. Alright, so after squeezing that, now we'll have to make sure to make it spread, and then we'll mix it up really well. Okay, so now the last ingredient that would make this treatment work so well is baking soda, okay, which is otherwise called bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is essential for the skin. Now if you talk about removing clogged pores, blackheads, and as well as whiteheads, baking soda would help so much to scrub out the excessive on the skin, and it will help to rejuvenate and make your skin stay healthy. Now what you're going to notice is that when you put baking soda with lemon, the reaction is going to be this kind of foamy reaction and all of that. Okay, so we're going to be putting about 2 tablespoons of that. Now you might decide not to measure up your ingredients, you just decide to put everything together depending on the quantity in which you actually want. Okay, so after putting it together, now this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to mix it up, and this is how it's going to look like. It's going to be foamy. So it's going to look like this. Okay, now what you do is that the more you mix it up, the more the foaminess would actually go down. Okay, and you can actually decide to keep it for the foaminess to completely go down, so that you can, when you want to apply it, you can, see your ingredients and grab it and then use it on your skin. Okay guys, so for now I'm actually going to be using my hands to illustrate this for you guys, but this is very safe for the skin, for your nose area, and for your teeth zone basically. So what you do is that you're going to be taking this, grabbing this, and then you're going to rub it through your skin. You're going to rub it through your skin just like this. Now after which you've actually rubbed it, then the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to begin to scrub it little by little from one position to another, and you have to scrub it in a circular motion. Okay, now scrubbing it in a circular motion would actually help to uproot the clogged pores, and your skin is going to be really smooth immediately you use this. Okay, so what you do is that you scrub it in a circular motion just like that. Scrub it in a circular motion. Okay, so after which you scrub it this way, then you have to leave it onto your skin for a little while for it to get into your skin and soften it up. It will first of all soften your skin. It will make your skin really smooth. Your face basically will make your face really smooth, and it will make it really soft. So it's going to do 3 things. It's going to soften it, make it smooth, and make it soft. And definitely it's going to be removing all of the whiteheads and blackheads, and your skin is going to be looking flawless. It's going to be looking really clean, and it's going to be looking rejuvenated. So don't forget to scrub it in a circular motion just like this. Okay, that way you're going to see the result of this blackheads treatment. Okay, this is amazing, this is beautiful, and this is how it looks like. Now what you do is that you can actually use this every morning for the space of 1 week, okay, and all of your blackheads and whiteheads will be gone, definitely. Okay, you're not going to be experiencing all of those blackheads and whiteheads, and your skin is going to be looking rejuvenated, bright and glowing. Okay guys, so that's it. You'd have to do that in a circular motion so that all of your clogged pores will just go away, and your skin can breathe again. When your skin is breathing, of course the skin breathes, okay? When your skin breathes, your skin is gonna look flawless, it's gonna look glowing, and it's gonna look beautiful. Alright guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, please give me a like, subscribe here, and turn on the bell here also, and share the video somewhere here. Alright guys, so I'll see you again in my next video. Stay beautiful and happy. Bye.